What's good with y'all niggas? It's your boy TrueCam. In this video, I'm finna teach y'all niggas how to get the freeform joints, you know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Freeform joints like this, you know? Full disclaimer right now, nigga, don't tell me what to use and what not to use and what y'all use and what work. They asking me, y'all asking me how I got mines like this, and I'm gonna tell y'all. So don't say no, nah, you don't use that. No, nigga, I did it, and that's why my shit look like this. And that's why you wanna know. That's why you click the video. So without further ado, I don't know what y'all doing right now, but y'all calm down, chill, nigga. Get ready to watch this hair tutorial. If y'all watch this video from beginning to end, y'all shit gonna be cold as fuck, no cap. Y'all shit gonna be like mine. You know what I'm saying? I'm giving y'all all the sauce, all the drip, all the tea. That being said, y'all niggas, you know what I'm saying? Let's get right into it, you know? The first thing I'm gonna tell y'all the haircut I got. The haircut I got is called a high taper. It's a high taper. Taper is high. Just ask for a high taper when you go to the barbershop. You know what I'm saying? I got a little tape joint in the back, high taper. So that's the cut that y'all want to get if y'all want it like mine. You know what I'm saying? So now the dye, right? The dye, this is bleach, bro. I just bleach. Not no bleach, regular bleach from your house. It's bleach, like hair dye bleach for your hair. Go to your mom or go to somebody, a girl or something who know how to bleach hair. Just ask about bleaching hair. Don't try to do the shit yourself. You know what I'm saying? Just tell her you want 2 strings. It don't matter what strings y'all pick, any strings y'all want. I pick these 2. I didn't want the ones in the front. I want them kind of like in the back. Y'all see they kind of in the back. Hold up, damn. Y'all see they kind of in the back, but they lay down kind of in the front. That's how I wanted mine. Y'all can do it how y'all want. Y'all can do multiple dreads. Whatever y'all want to do, you know what I'm saying? I just wanted mine like this, you know. So the things you need, the items you need, you don't need no sponge and no towels, no whatever y'all use. Niggas talking about you use a twist pick, whatever that is. Y'all don't need none of that. The only thing you need is your hands. That's what I use, your hands. And you should get one of these. You should get a pick. The reason you should get a pick, because you want like kind of like a fro at the bottom. You know what I'm saying? That's how your shit get to hanging, right? By picking it, you pick that joint up like this. I pick my roots up. That's what I do. That's what the pick is important for. But you don't need it off rip though. You don't need it when you just start. You know? But I pick like the roots up in my hair type shit. But, you know what I'm saying? So, a lot of y'all niggas finna know like the twisty part, right? Y'all know the length, all this stuff, right? The length, my hair is this long, but when I twisted it when my hair got right here. When my hair got to like my eyebrows, that's when I started twisting it. You know what I'm saying? So my shit was that length when I twisted that bitch up. And then when you twist it, it's gonna take about 2 hours or something. But what you wanna do is basically like the little 2-strand twist. I'm gonna show y'all niggas. It really wasn't, let me see. Just pretend, bro. Let me see if I can find some shit. I can't find no shit. I'm just gonna, cause all my shit. Okay, just pretend, right? Just pretend. This right here. Just pretend like it's just hair. Pretend it's not twisted. It's not twisted. It's just your hair. You pull it down. It's your hair, right? What you're gonna do is you're gonna split it up. Your hair. You split it up and then you twist these 2 like this. I don't know if y'all can really see it. Can y'all really see it? Twist it like this, right? And then you twist those 2 together. Like this. You know what I'm saying? Make sure y'all pull it though. Make sure y'all pull that junk so it can be to the roots. Especially if your hair is smaller. Pull it. So it can be to like all the way down to the roots. And you twist it. Twist it. You want to keep twisting it. Twist it. Make sure the end's tight. When you get to the end, make sure you twist that junk around. Twist it all the way around the ends. You know what I'm saying? I'm not finna keep this in because this is already too twist. So I'm finna take this motherfucker down. But y'all get what I'm saying though. Damn. Y'all get what I'm saying. Then how y'all do twisty parts, all y'all do is that, and then like, you know, once the process and you just get that motherfucker going, you take them out. That's what I do. I take out when I twist them together, I take them out after probably some days or whatever. I don't really know how many days, I forgot. But look, right? Y'all niggas need to get y'all a brush too. Soft brush. If you're gonna have a high taper, when your hair start to grow, you're gonna have to brush these down so your shit won't look crazy. You know what I'm saying? Brush the sides down. Right? So get you a little soft as shit, very soft brush. You know? Y'all wanna get that too. Right? So that's how you do the twisty part. This is step by step how you do it, right? So, right? Your hair is dry. You twist your hair. Do the twisty part. Your hair is dry. Leave it dry. You go do the twisty part. Make sure you sit down. You put it on some YouTube or some fucking Netflix or whatever, because it's going to take a little minute. You're going to twist your entire head. Now, I know y'all like, damn, it's going to take forever. It's going to take about an hour and a half, probably 2 hours. It's going to take a while. But the good thing about it, when you twist it, you never have to do it again. Like I twisted my shit, it took about 2 hours. I never had to twist it again. You know what I'm saying? So go ahead and knock the little twisty part out. And as soon as you finish twisting it, you get in the shower, right? You get in the shower. Y'all niggas save this video or whatever, whenever y'all finna do it, or I don't know. But look, when you finish, right? You finish twisting your entire head. Turn the shower on. When you get in the shower, you just do this. Let the water run on your dreads. Do not scrub and all that shit. Just let the water run all over your head, right? What they gonna do? That's gonna help your hair to twist up into the locks. You know what I'm saying? It's gonna help your hair. It's gonna be wet. It's gonna help your hair to twist up into the locks so it can stay. You know what I'm saying? Once you do that, you twisting your shit up. When you get out the shower, you pin it up. Pin it up in little bands or whatever. If your hair not tall enough, use the rubber band. It don't matter how many of these y'all niggas use. It don't matter if y'all put 9 of these bitches in y'all head because it's short. It don't matter, but y'all pin y'all hair up. There's no special way to pin it up. It don't matter. You only gonna sleep with it. You ain't wearing it to school. You ain't gonna wear it pinned up to school. So just pin it up. It don't matter if it's even. You ain't gotta part your hair. None of that. Just pin this shit up in like a little whatever. Make sure it's pinned up. You just like, you know what I'm saying? Y'all just go to sleep. However, you know what I'm saying? Then in the morning, you take them bitches down. Take them bitches down, let them breathe, you know? You pin them up again the next day. You know what I'm saying? That's how you do it. Pin it up again the next day, right? Look, I'm gonna drop the link in my bio of the products I use for everything, like skincare products. The product that I use for everything, I use Geologie, bro. I use Geologie for everything. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna drop the link in the bio for hair products. If y'all wanna grow y'all hair quicker, Geologie probably got products for that. I haven't looked up no hair growth for Geologie, but Geologie, they got a lot of natural products, and all their products work. All their products work. So y'all niggas go get that Geologie. Blah, blah, blah. Y'all go get that Geologie. Click the link in my bio. You know what I'm saying? I'm finna give y'all nigga the maintenance, right? How to keep your freeform good, how to keep them fresh. You know what I'm saying? This is what you do, right? You don't wash your hair that much. Don't wash it. If you do wash it, use conditioner. Don't use shampoo all the time. Don't wash your hair that much. When you wash your hair, you're gonna be scrubbing it out. You're gonna be scrubbing the twists out. Wash your hair probably like, really what I do, I ain't gonna lie. What I do, I only wash my hair when it needs washing. What I mean by that is, when my hair needs washing, it will itch. You know what I'm saying? Like I'll start, like damn. If y'all ever see me on live and I'm like scratching my head, that mean it's time for me to wash my shit, I'm gonna wash it. But if I'm not scratching it, it feel good, it don't need to be washed. It don't stink or nothing. You know what I'm saying? If my hair stink or if it itch, that's when I wash it. You know what I'm saying? So I think that's a good little formula. So I guess y'all need to do the same shit. When y'all hair itch or it stink, you know what I'm saying? That's when it's time to wash it. Question I be getting a lot. Y'all be asking me, do y'all wear like bonnets and things of that nature? Y'all, this is a video of how I got mine. So I didn't wear no bonnets. I didn't do none of that. Oh wait, I wore a bonnet the first night. The first night I did it, I wore a bonnet that night and I wore a bonnet the next night. After that, I ain't wear no more bonnets. I was just pinning my hair up. I just pin my hair up. I don't wear no bonnets or none of that. You know what I'm saying? Don't ask me about a sponge, brush, towels. I didn't use nothing. I used my hands to do the twist. All I use is my hand to do the twist. I ain't use no sponges, no brushes, no pick, what is it called? What y'all saying? Twist pick or some shit. I don't use that. I ain't use no hair locking gel. I don't know about this stuff, chat. Y'all gonna DM, y'all be blowing my DMs up about the little twist. Should y'all use that? I don't know, bro. I didn't use that stuff. I just used this. I don't know if it worked or not. I didn't use none of that. You know what I'm saying? So what I use is what I'm telling y'all. My fingers, I use the pick, and I use the bands. That's what I use. My amazing hair products, you know what I'm saying? Another tip for y'all niggas, don't go to the store and buy nothing that say curl. You don't want to buy no products that say curl. If y'all go to Geologie and y'all look for hair products, if it say curl enhancing curl, if it got the word curl on the bottle, don't even use it. Cause those curls is gonna take your twist out. Don't use no curl products. So quick recap real quick, right? I told y'all I do the twisty part. You twist your hair, twist your entire head. It don't matter if you twisting it small or you got a lot of hair, twist your entire head, right? As soon as you finish twisting your head, like as soon as you finish with the last one, go turn the shower on. You get in the shower, you just let the water run on your head like this. You know what I'm saying? You ain't even trying to, like, of course take a shower, but I'm saying, like, don't do nothing to your hair. Just let the water run on your hair. You know what I'm saying? Make sure them twists get wet. You know what I'm saying? And as soon as you get out, you dry off. You know what I'm saying? Do the towel like this through your head, dry it or whatever. You pin them joints up. Get a lot of little bands, pin them joints up. As many as you can, pin them up. You know what I'm saying? Things of that nature. And then probably throw a bonnet on. If you don't have a bonnet, it's cool. But throw a bonnet on if you want to. Not a do-rag, a bonnet. You know what I'm saying? Throw a bonnet on, go to sleep. You know what I'm saying? Things of that nature. When you wake up in the morning, take the fucking bands out. Take all the bands out, you know what I'm saying? Let your hair just you know what I'm saying? Twist them joints. Some of them probably come out. Twist them joints back with your hand. Just play with your hair. You know, things of that nature. and you pin them joints back up, you know? Every night, pin them up every night. I still pin my hair up. I don't have to. I really don't have to, but it help your hair grow very fast. So, pin your hair up. I still pin my hair up at night. That's very important. Get the pick. Don't forget about the pick. Make sure you pick your joint. You ain't gotta do this the first night you get the twist. But make sure y'all get a habit of picking y'all joints, picking the roots. You know what I'm saying? Thing of that nature. So if y'all have any other questions about the freeform dreads, you know what I'm saying, or y'all just want to see me a picture, y'all DM me on Instagram, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, make sure y'all make sure you drop that like. Drop that like, you know what I'm saying? I ain't even give y'all that many ads. And actually, I'm finna give you an ad right now. You want an ad? I ain't gonna do it to you. Actually, I'm finna give you an ad. You know what I'm saying? Because you been being weird. You ain't want to hit the like button. I'm finna give you an ad. You know what I'm saying? So hold this ad real quick and I'll be back. So now what I was saying, you hit that like. Make sure you subscribe, you know what I'm saying? And things of that nature. And I'll see y'all niggas in the next video. You know what I'm saying? Got any questions, DM me. Things of that nature. All right, little niggas.